2012 Ram 1500. This is what happens when you don't do oil changes. Look at the sludge buildup. Sludge buildup. Look at the sludge built up there. There's chunks of that. That's not doing an oil change. That's oil getting turned into sludge. What happened with this engine, the sludge built up and built up and built up until the oil pickup got totally clogged and the engine seized solid. Moral of the story, do your oil changes. The best thing that you can do for an engine is do your oil changes. That is hard and crusty in there. That's filled right in. Look at it, filled right around the valve spring there. I don't care if you use synthetic or conventional oil, just do your oil changes on time. I've got 600,000 kilometers on my car. Between oil changes, the engine oil still comes out a nice tan color. I don't have any sludge buildup at all. That's it for today.